back to my channel. Today we have another makeup video. I know I just did a makeup video a couple weeks ago with my niece Emma. Check it out right here if you missed it. But we're back doing another one again because yet again I have spent way too much at Ulta. I got some new makeup and I'm really excited to give it a try. I have some new eyeshadow brushes, some eyeshadow primer, a lip plumping lip gloss. We'll see if that works. And most importantly of all, I got my very first naked palette by Urban Decay and I'm so excited to use this. I saw it at the store and I was like, oh my god, that's so pretty. I have to have it. Lo and behold, I treated myself to an early Christmas gift and got myself a naked eyeshadow palette. So yes, I got some fancy schmancy new makeup. Some of the things that I picked up at Ulta last time, I have yet to show you in a video, so I'll be using these as well today. Other than that, everything else is my very basic CoverGirl drugstore makeup that I will be using as far as my base and everything. I'm slowly but surely upgrading my makeup stuff to some of the better, higher quality makeups, and these videos are really motivating me and it definitely makes me feel good. So anyway, I'm gonna get started on my normal makeup routine. It's nothing you haven't seen before. After that, we'll start breaking open the cool new stuff. Let's go! Alright, fix that hair a bit. I got my base done and now we can have some fun with the brand new makeup. Let's see what we got. First look. Ooh. These are so pretty. Rose quartz brushes. Got the basic stuff, pretty much all you need. Also, a little brow brush. Cool. Speaking of what I will be using eyeshadow brushes for, let's check out the naked palette. Oh, I lied. Also from Urban Decay, I got eyelid primer. It comes with a little applicator. I guess we'll just go for it. So this is supposed to help make the color stay on longer and look more vibrant. I'm gonna just go over with my finger, do that. We're winging it today, all for fun. It feels very soothing. Now, dun dun dun, naked palette. Oh my gosh, I'm opening it. Oh my god, this thing is beautiful. I feel so bougie. You guys get first look. Here we go. This is gorgeous. Look, I didn't even have to buy brushes because it comes with one. So I'm gonna use one of my non-fancy brushes, starting with AI. Oh my gosh, these colors. Oh my gosh. So there you are. Those are all the colors. I think these colors are absolutely stunning. Just in case you didn't read the box, this is the Urban Decay Cyber Naked palette. So the names going this way: AI, metadata, virtual electrode, cyberspace, gadget, call IT. That's funny. Not a bot. Oh my god, hilarious. Static, Y3K, override, and byte, like gigabyte. I'm so excited to actually put it on my face. So, okay, I got primer down earlier, but I spent like 5 years putting that stuff on my arm. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another layer real quick. Just add that and I'll rub it in. And then we'll get started. I think I have an idea of what colors I wanna choose just based on what I did on my arm. So for the base, I'm going to use the broader brush and I'm gonna go with this color right here, which is Gadget, and I'm just going to put it all across my eyelid. Oh yes, look at that color. That's so pretty. God, and that goes on so smoothly. That looks so even. And I feel like with this, a little bit goes a long way. I just kind of went ham because I'm used to the cheap stuff where you have to like really swish it around there to get an effect. But really, I don't need to go crazy like that. All right, next up, I'm gonna take the number 122 angled liner brush from my rose quartz brush set. Hey, I got that right, look at that. So we're gonna go in with the same color, Gadget. I'm gonna go underneath right here. I've also gone on rants before how much I love Urban Decay products. They don't test on animals, so they're vegan. I'm absolutely in love and obsessed with their lipsticks. I also use Urban Decay setting spray, fun facts. Next, I'm using the brush from the palette, the smaller end. We're gonna go with metadata right here under the brow line. Going in again. So got a nice highlight going. I also went on the inside corners of my eyes with it as well. Now is the tough part where I have to decide what goes on my eyelid. How do I choose? There's so many pretty colors. These two really called out to me, Y3K and Override. I'm gonna go with the more subtle Override. Yes. All right, here we go. Number 112, the Precision Shadow Brush. We're gonna override my base. Anyway, you guys, it's so pretty. I'm having way too much fun with this. One thing I will say too about eyeshadows is I feel like they've gotten more into reds nowadays. I appreciate that so much because for the longest time it was really hard to find decent vibrant reds. Even though this isn't exactly red, it's definitely more orange. I appreciate that. What we need to bring back, and there's probably people that will come after me for saying this, but the blue eyeshadow from the 70s, oh my god, can we please bring that back? Talk about making your eyes pop. That blue shadow will do it. Honestly, I could go in, give it some definition, but I kind of like it as it is. I am gonna go back to my angled brush. I'm gonna use what I just used, which is Override. And even though I got something going on underneath, I'm gonna add this one. Oh yes. I like it. Now, I'm gonna keep it simple. Like I said, we're gonna blend it out. Gonna go in with this brush. I don't know the number, please don't ask me. Okay, it is the number 105, and the 105 is Blending Crease Brush. I couldn't have planned it better if I planned it myself. Anyway, so I'm gonna just blend it all out because that color is strong and vibrant and so pretty. So fun. I feel like I'm an adult finally for having one of these makeup palettes. Now I use this eyeliner, and it's the eyeliner that Audrey recommended to me, the Tattoo something eyeliner. This was part of my shopping spree Ulta haul video. Audrey recommended me getting this eyeliner and I love it so much. It's completely worn off. I use it almost every single day. So I am going to attempt to put on this eyeliner on camera. I've never done that before because putting eyeliner on is intimidating enough, let alone being on camera. But we're we're gonna go for it because we're going the extra mile today. Let's see what happens. It's not too bad. All right, hopefully that's even enough. My little wings aren't perfectly symmetrical, but that's okay. That's another thing that I gotta work on. It's all a learning process. And back to very basic drugstore makeup. I'm using my favorite mascara, Colossal Cat Eye, and we're gonna go for it. Just jump right in. Like I said, nothing you haven't seen before. I made an absolute mess out of this mascara, but that's okay. This is not the final look. Almost caught me in a little white lie. Now it's deciding lipstick, and of course I'm going with nothing other than my favorite, which is Urban Decay Back Talk. Yes, I love this color. Okay, and to finish it off, we have a lip plumper, and woo, there's a little love note inside. Lip Injection Extreme. It's a lip injection without being a lip injection. Note, oh my God, you may experience a slight to intense tingle. Apply only within perimeter of lips. If applied on skin, temporary redness may occur. If any discomfort is present, remove and discontinue use. Keep away from children. I almost don't want to use this. That sounds absolutely terrifying. Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper that may or may not cause pain. Okay, we're gonna be very careful with this. Very careful. I'm scared. I'm only gonna put a little bit on. Let's see how instant is. Do 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 do. You guys tell me if you notice a difference. While this is being instant, I'm gonna brush my bangs again because they don't want to cooperate today. If you guys are still watching, let me know what you think about this video. How's life going? How are the holidays? Hope you guys are doing well. Oh, okay. About 20 seconds went by and I'm starting to feel tingling. Are my lips getting plumper? Oh, they're tingling. Oh, that's kind of uncomfortable. I mean, I'm fine with how my lips look. I was just curious. See if it would work or if it was a gimmick. That's not burning, but it's a step above tingling. Well, interesting. I want to know what the ingredients are. Maybe I should have done that first, huh? A lot of chemicals. Feels like a jellyfish sting, kind of. Okay, well, I'll take their word for it. I think it's just honestly a lip gloss that wants to make you feel uncomfortable on the pretense that your lips are growing plumper, and I honestly, whatever. Anyway, that was fun. Overall, I am very happy with the eyeshadow. I think the palette is, I mean, I've never had any other naked palette, so I can't really compare it to other naked palettes, but I think it's a great start. It's a great way to introduce myself to naked palettes, especially with the variety of colors. I think the primer was a really good idea so that it would do it justice. I'm sure it turns out great either way. The colors definitely very shimmery, sparkly, iridescent, lots of fun colors as well as matte colors. Anyway, yeah, I had a lot of fun with this. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like button, join in the comments below, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Join the club. It's a party. It's a party. I love you guys a lot. Hope you guys are enjoying the holiday season so far. Such a great time to reflect and spread cheer, and I hope you guys are doing that and are enjoying yourselves as much as possible. If it's cold where you're at, stay warm, and don't forget to stay happy, stay healthy, stay merry and bright. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!